The day of active cash flows will begin in these zodiac signs from September 29th. How to attract wealth. Hello, dear viewers. Today we have a special edition dedicated to the beginning of active cash flows for some zodiac signs from September 29th. Find out how to make the most of this period to improve your financial well-being. If you want to attract wealth, our tips will help you open the doors to success. Subscribe to our channel to always be one step ahead of the power of your destiny. 1. Aries. Aries, your natural leadership and tireless energy will be your best allies. During this period, actively seek out new investment opportunities or start that project you've been dreaming about for a long time. Your courage will attract financial luck to you, especially in areas that require decisiveness and innovation. 2. Gemini. Gemini, your ability to adapt and communicate will make this a particularly fruitful period. Networking and strategic partnerships can open new doors for you. Use your social activity to expand your contact base and don't be afraid to come up with new ideas. One of them could turn out to be a goldmine. 3. Virgo. For Virgos, your attention to detail and commitment to excellence will bring you financial benefits. This is a time to carefully analyze your current financial situation and optimize your expenses. Real estate investments or long-term projects may prove profitable. Also, pay attention to opportunities to automate or improve your work processes, which can reduce costs and increase profits. 4. Scorpio. Scorpio, your passion and intuition will take you to new levels of financial success. Use this period to dive deep into investment strategies or to begin new entrepreneurial endeavors. Your magnetism and persuasiveness will help attract capital or support that would otherwise be unavailable.